Hello traders, today is the 28th of November 2023. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on pound yen. If you look at here, most of the yen has given us a nice beautiful pips beginning of this week. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you have seen in my previous analysis, so we had a short trade yesterday after this breakout short trade, and the market nicely went here, retest. Market gave us the confirmation, respected this level. Beautiful. And afterwards, as explained, my trader just keep taking up pullbacks. Even the market has respected here a little bit, but you can see develop a retest and beautiful short trade. So we really enjoyed this short rally and the target around this level, which market nicely hit. Bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit to help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. So you can see a pretty straightforward. Even we had this long trade. You can see here market nicely broken, bank few PPs. As soon as the market impulsively reaction reverse, and that's what it give us the high probability of short trade here. Reason why, if you look at the 4-hour chart, and let me explain to you. If you look at here, the market respected here, and this is the high probability, and as explained to my trader, look for short trade here. Bank market nicely broken previous low, hit to the previous low level. As explained, either you bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even, and afterwards, pretty straightforward. After banking some profit, as explained to my trader, look for another pullback. So as you can see, we're constantly updating our analysis, the market reaction in intraday, but we kept eye on 4-hour just to develop our buy. So you can see based on that, market nicely broken and retest give us the confirmation. Beautiful, another beautiful pips, banking some profit. After banking, as explained, my trader market has developed downside channel pattern and look for any pullback. Short trade would be considered high probability trade. Banking few pips, and afterwards, as explained, my trader market developed a sideways market, and which I updated that analysis instantly, as you can see here. As explained, look for this breakout, and if the market is going to break, then keep enjoying, and high probability. If you look at the momentum was bearish, so you can see here there, and if you look at the market nicely broken and give us the confirmation, that's the beauty, and that's give us the high probability. You can see here the market nicely broken and retest give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade here, second short trade here, third short trade here, and now we manage amazing profit today. Once the market developing a double bottom, as explained, my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, so if you want to see all that analysis in real time with full explanation and detail, don't waste your time. Join our fast growing trading community and enjoy live analysis, enjoy live learning, enjoy live earning, and enjoy your day. Have a nice day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.